What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to remove echo from your audio clip using Adobe Audition. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After recording your voice or importing an audio file, make sure to select everything using the shortcut Ctrl and A. Next, navigate to Effects, Noise Reduction and Restoration, and here select De-Reverb. On this window, you can toggle the effect when clicking on this icon, and then you can preview the effect in action, which should already remove a big part of the echo. To further remove echo from your audio clip, make sure that it's still highlighted and navigate to Effects, Amplitude and Compression, and here select Dynamics. On this window, make sure to set the preset to default and set the noise gate threshold option to -36 and tick the auto gate option. I suggest playing around with the hold option. Set this to 50 milliseconds and 100 to see which option gives you the cleanest audio. You can also toggle the effect to see how much difference it makes. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.